Hi everyone, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through the 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. As you can see, this boat has the blue Sea Ray blue hull color with a rally red stripe. This is a gel stripe, it's not a decal. Kate will give us a nice side profile shot there. One of my favorite features before we hop up into the boat is this side fold down step. Easier to get in and out of the water if you have a dog or an elderly person. Hop on up. Twin Mercury 350s. Let's go check it out. Up on the transom of the 310 SLX, this boat has sea deck all the way throughout and the stone interior. On the transom, we have rear pop-up seats if you don't want to be lounged all the way back. That ratchet back down. I'll let Kate go through first. Walk-through area. Back here in the cockpit, nice L-shaped seating here. There is a table that can go into place, or it is removable if you don't want it. On the starboard side, wet bar area. This boat has the ice tray, spot for a couple bottles, sink, trash receptacle, and refrigerator. Moving forward, we have our Helm, twin Simrad displays. These are the 12-inch screens. This boat has the upgraded Fusion stereo system, Sea Ray wheel, trim tabs, binnacles, and our joystick. On the port side, easy entrance into your head. There is a port window in there to give some ventilation. As we make our way towards the bow, easy access up there. Nice wide open. Great spot for having conversations with family and friends. Armrests fold down. There is storage underneath all our seats here. And then forward we have our windlass with controls up there or at the helm. So again, this is the 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. My name is Frank and Teskey. Thank you for your time.